For SMEs, logistics is not just about moving goods. It's about surviving in tight margins, ensuring that stocks are updated so that sales are not affected and yet inventory is not very high, and managing all the fluctuations and uncertainty. Whether you make a product to a factory or supply to many retailers, the way you plan your shipments, transport your goods, and make time for everything right makes a difference between making money or losing it. In this guide, I'll walk you through how goods move in the supply chain and why understanding things like push and pull method, bullwhip theory, and just-in-time isn't just a theory. It helps you to stop dealing with last-minute problems and start running a smart, cost-efficient logistics system. Welcome to Logics by FR8, where we simplify tracking and logistics with clear and expert insight. Push and pull are two ways to manage your supply chain. Most FMCG companies and SMEs companies use push method. Now what does that mean? They produce or stock goods ahead the time based on forecast and push them to warehouses or market. The problem is warehouse gets full, and in the end of the month or the quarter, there is a mad rush to finish the stocks or push it out. You may also notice that truck demands also spike up during this time, causing delays and also halting because everyone are trying to clear their inventory or target. This is why warehouse halting becomes predominant around 31st. Where most of the companies try to clear their stocks and meet their target. Now the pull method, used majorly by automobiles or e-commerce. Now the smarter way used by companies like Toyota is the pull method. They only produce and manufacture things what they need. For example, if the inventory falls for 500 units, they will order for 2000 units. This helps keep inventory low, cost down, and also operations lean. Since stock is ordered in smaller batches based on real demand, the truck halting is also lower. Shipping is spread eventually throughout the month, so high month-end rates can also be avoided. There's better control on working capitals because cost of inventory and inventory days are low. The comparison chart will make you understand more better. But here is a challenge you need to watch out. The bullwhip effect. This image explains it very clearly. Imagine a scenario where a customer urgently says, I need a COVID mask. Now this spike demand gives a chain reaction, even if the actual need was very small. Retailers react by over-ordering, thinking that the demand is very high. They don't know if the surge is temporary or lasting, but they want to be in a safer side by ordering more than they require. Manufacturers see this jump in retailer order and assume that the demand is high. They also start ordering and increase their production of raw materials. Suppliers scramble to meet what looks like a huge demand, even if the spike was temporary. Even if a minor change from the customer end, it can bring a very big reaction to the whole supply chain because of not having proper coordination and communication. This leads to excess inventory, bottlenecks, and cash flow problems, forecasting nightmares. This happens because of the poor coordination and no real-time data sharing. That's why modern supply chain need ERP system, lean practices just like JIT, so that they can stay efficient in the pull-based method. Let me give you a real-time example of how Asian Paints connects dealer to production using ERP. Asian Paint does not wait for orders from distributors or warehouses. It has built a smart connected system where the dealer directly influences to the production team and inventory. Here's how it works. When a dealer sells a paint through the mobile phone or the website, it feeds directly through the Asian Paints ERP portal. When the product is marked sold, plans for replenishment at the distributor level, adjusts production schedule if needed, and triggers the logistics planning, all in real time. Think about for a second, even a single sale from the dealer level can trigger the production and logistics movement. The tight integration means faster restocking, less access inventory, less stocking out, and full access to the supply chain, and a highly efficiently fully based supply chain. Asian Paint stays lean, responsive, and highly customer centric, connecting to the smallest sale to the biggest production center. This approach ties in perfectly with the lean manufacturing practice called just-in-time. Just-in-times avoid wasting resources or tying money in unsold stocks. Just-in-time turns the supply chain into demand-driven lean system, reactionary, efficient, and also quality focused. It's a mindset rooted in Kaizen and exemplified in Toyota's production model. Why the pull method is smarter in 2025? Because it gives you better visibility on real sales, avoids wasting money on unsold stock, and stop the month-end rush or meet targets. Whether you're running a factory, managing warehouse, or handling distribution, moving to a data-driven pull system powered by technology or lean thinking, it's not just a good idea, but it is essential for profitable business and smooth logistics. It helps you reduce waste, control inventory, and also keep your logistics running without unnecessary delays. And hey, moreover, the truck driver waiting outside your warehouse will thank you forever. Let us know what you think about this content in the comment section. Thank you for watching.